Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a Pokemon TCG Pocket modded version. So you get free Pokegold, Shine Dust, shop ticket, special shop ticket, premium ticket. The premium pass is unlocked for free. Everything is in this Pokemon TCG Pocket mod. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's really easy. So just go to this website. It's called hexmods.com. You got like modded apps on this site, like lots of modded apps. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Pokemon, and as you can see, Pokemon TCG Pocket, bam. So we're going to press download and it should start to download it onto our device. Now before you can actually install this onto your device, there will be one more step, the verification. This is easy and it's free, but you need to be patient. You need to be paying attention to this video because I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says Pokemon TCG Pocket mod installer. Please install 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. So there'll probably be like 4 apps on the page. You just want to download 2 of them. Just press like tap to install. It'll bring you to the app store. Make sure you do this because what happens is if you download the app and you don't read the instructions, this entire process will fail. So as you can see, the golf game says reach level 10, but then we got TikTok where we just got to run it for 30 seconds, and then we got swag bucks. They're all different, so just download 2 of them. I did Family Island. I had to reach level 10, and that app is not even there anymore. They replaced it with the golf one, and I'm in the US, so if you're in another country, the apps are going to be probably not the same ones. But anyway, guys, just do it, complete it. It's a one-time process. Then you get your Pokemon TCG Pocket free Pokegold, Shine Dust, shop ticket, pack hourglass, everything, guys. So I'll see you later.